In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Text Tool in Inkscape. Whether you're creating a quick title or laying out a full paragraph, this will guide you through adding, formatting, and editing text with confidence. First, launch Inkscape on your desktop. When it opens, either create a new document or open an existing one that you want to work on. Any page size will do. The Text Tool works the same across templates, so just pick what suits your project. Now, look to the left sidebar and select the Text Tool. You can also press the T key to activate it quickly. Your cursor will change, indicating that you're ready to add text. There are two ways to place text. For regular or canvas text, simply click once, anywhere on the canvas, and start typing. This method is ideal for short titles, labels, or logos because the text grows as you type and stays in a single line unless you press Enter. It's straightforward, flexible, and great for quick headings. For paragraphs, use flowed or wrapped text. Click and drag to draw a blue box, then type inside it. The text will automatically wrap to the next line when it reaches the edge of the box. If you need more or less room, resize the box, and the wrapping adjusts instantly. This approach keeps longer content neat and readable without manual line breaks. With the Text Tool active, turn your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll style your text. Choose your font family from the drop-down to set the overall look. Next, adjust font size to make your text larger or smaller. Set alignment to left, center, right, or justified, depending on your layout needs. If your lines feel too tight or too loose, tweak the spacing. Leading controls the space between lines, and kerning fine-tunes the spacing between individual letters. Small adjustments here can dramatically improve readability and balance. Need to change words later? Reactivate the Text Tool by pressing T, then click directly inside any existing text to edit it. You can add, remove, or fix characters just like in a word processor. To change color, select the text and click a swatch in the color palette at the bottom of the window. That sets the fill, which is the interior color of the letters. To add an outline, hold Shift and click a color in the palette. That assigns a stroke, giving your text a defined edge that helps it stand out. And that's it. With these techniques, you can place, wrap, style, and revise text smoothly in Inkscape.